In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to move your Solana from your exchange to your Ledger Cold wallet and then back to the exchange. Here's what the steps look like. We're going to skip the buying selling part since I'm assuming you already know how that works. But if you don't, no worries, you can check out the buy and sell video at any time. The main focus here are the transfers. In this example, I'll be using a Ledger Nano S Plus, but the steps are pretty much the same for the Nano S, Nano X, and other Ledger Cold wallets. I'll be using Kraken as the exchange since it's one of the most popular centralized exchanges in North America. Now, that said, the exchange you use doesn't really matter. The process is basically the same for all of them. What does matter is making sure that you have the correct wallet address and correct network, because sending crypto to the wrong address could mean losing it forever. So the example we have here is the Radium token that's running on the Solana network in Kraken. And we want to transfer it to the Ledger Live, so we have to ensure that we're using the same network. There are 3 security requirements that you must follow before doing the transfers. Number 1, make sure your operating system is up to date. And if you can't update it because your hardware is too old, maybe it's time to upgrade the hardware. Number 2, update all software. In this case, specifically, we're going to be using Chrome to connect to the exchange, the Ledger Live software to connect to your ledger. And if you have an antivirus, make sure your virus definitions are up to date. And last but not least, ensure that your Ledger firmware is also running at the latest version. Okay, so let's start. The first thing you want to do is make sure you have both Kraken and Ledger Live software open. Then we're going to go to the Ledger Live software, click on My Ledger, Apps, unlock your Ledger if you have to, and then search for Solana. So I'm going to install Solana here. Solana is a coin, it's not a token, and it has its own wallet. But Solana also supports many other tokens. So it's going to be used as a network for other coins or tokens. Okay, so it was successfully installed. Now we're going to add the account. This could take a few seconds. I'm going to confirm here. I'm going to press both buttons to open the Solana app. Synchronizing. Okay, so it's done synchronizing. I'm going to add the first account. Click done. And then under accounts, click on Solana, click receive, continue, grab the address, then go back to the exchange. So we want to withdraw Solana. So I'll look for Solana here and then enter the address. Add a nickname, so I'll call it Ledger Solana. Add. I have to confirm it by email. So I'll open up. Here we go. Click confirm. It's been approved. I'm going to click on this amount here because I want to send the full amount. Click review. Just validate the info. There's the amount, the fee, which makes sense. The network is fine. And the address, as you can see, it's the right address. So I'm going to click confirm. And to close this screen here, I simply have to approve and then click done and approve again. And I can quit to go back to the main menu. Okay, the Solana transfer was successful. As you can see, we do have some Solana now in the account. Now it's time to transfer it back to the exchange. So I'm going to click on deposit in Kraken, type Solana, copy the address, go to Solana, click on send, enter the address, click continue. I'm not going to add a memo right away. And instead of sending the full amount, I'm going to send half of it because I'm going to need some Solana for transaction fees for other tokens. Continue. Now it's asking me to open the app. I'm pressing both buttons. I have to confirm the transaction here, so I'm gonna approve. And we can close this here. And I can check on Kraken under the activity tab to see if the transaction made it. Yeah, here we go. It says pending. So it's depositing it, it's pending. It's going to take a couple of seconds or minutes, but it looks good. So please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them.